Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 18, everybody.
Future Libby here. Definitely day 19. Definitely not day 18. I clearly need breakfast and coffee.
First, we have to pick coffee out of my, where is it at? Variety pack. I've been getting a lot of pumpkin spice, so let's see what we get. Pumpkin spice. I don't want pumpkin spice today. Cinnamon bun. Do that one. Colton had a cinnamon bun this morning. Lord almighty. While the coffee's brewing, I'm gonna get our sausages on the pan. The ones I bought from Wally World yesterday. My boys like bacon and sausage, so we're doing bacon and sausage. Alright, now it is time for everyone's favorite part of breakfast. Oh gosh. Oh man.
No pancakes.
Time to make the pancakes. Where's your head?
Right here.
I told you guys in my pantry tour video, if you haven't checked that out, go check it out, that I use the protein powder for pancakes. Ooh. That's what we're doing today. And I'm using my Quest Cinnamon Crunch Protein Powder, so we're going to have cinnamon pancakes. Smells good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so first thing we are going to add is 1 scoop of the protein powder. Do you want to break the egg?
Yeah.
1 large egg.
This is another large egg.
Very good. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Half a teaspoon of baking powder.
How is that a difference? Because it looks like they're all the same.
Looks like what's all the same. Then we're going to incorporate to our liking 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsweetened almond milk. So we're going to start with 2.
When did you even get that?
We had it in the fridge.
No.
bubble. Wait just a second. When you notice the edges start to harden and then like the bubbles start to come through, that's when it's ready to flip it. We can flip it without totally busting it.
Yeah.
Ah! Woohoo! We made a dinosaur! These pancakes are so good. And they're really easy too. Definitely double up on the recipe if you have a bigger family, for sure. We got a dinosaur and then 2 small pancakes and 1 bigger pancake. I could have made this bottom one into 2, but why bother with it? So I'm just going to eat my breakfast. We're going to watch a movie, chillax, not do a whole lot today. So thank you guys so much for joining me on this nice Saturday morning breakfast, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.